fixing the beautiful car. I know. And so bad.
This is the first time we've had the cheerleaders. All right, Moody, go, 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 go! Woo! Yeah! Was that it? Yeah! Wow, that was a good catch. Woo! Look at the cheer. Moody got a touchdown because the cheerleaders are here.
That's what?
He got a touchdown because the cheerleaders are here.
Wait, what is it though?